excuse me, since all you die-hard Canon fanboys are asking me what I thought about the new Canon EOS R, well, it turns out that it has poor video features, no IBIS, and wait for it, a single card slot. Oh my god, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, the specification sheet for the new Canon has been leaked, and yeah, even the Canon fanboys are, excuse me, the Canon fanboys are wondering what the hell Canon is smoking. Once again, Canon releases a failure of a camera. Congratulations, Canon. Congratulations, you win the award. Well, you and Nikon win the award.